Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in your Excel file, when you go to data and when you go to get data and then when you go to from other sources, if from Microsoft query is missing over here, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, go to file and then go to options and go to customize ribbon over here. And then over here from the drop down, select all commands and then find from Microsoft query. So scroll down and you should be able to see from Microsoft query. So you can select this. Now once you select it over here, you can see main tabs should be selected over here. So select Microsoft query and then on the bottom over here you can see OK button. So click on OK and then you can go to get data and then go to from other sources and you should be able to see from Microsoft query. Now for many users, from Microsoft queries may be missing over here. In that case, you can go to file and then go to options. Now go to data and then over here under show legacy data import wizard, you will see from Microsoft query. You can put a check over here and then click on OK. Now close Excel and then relaunch Excel and then go to data, get data and then select legacy wizard, and once you select legacy wizard you should be able to see from Microsoft query, and that should help you to get the option back. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go to file and then go to options, go to file and then go to account, and over here you will see update option. Click on this drop down and then click on update now and let the update complete. So if there is any update, let the update complete, and once the update is complete you can launch the Excel file once again, and then you can go to again follow the same step. You can go to file and then go to options and then you can go to customize ribbon and then you can select all commands over here, and over here if you find from Microsoft query you can select from Microsoft query over here, select it and then click on OK. In my case it's not here. You can select it and then click on OK. If that does not work, you can go to file and then go to options, and this time you can go to data and then put a check on from Microsoft query over here, put a check and then click on OK and then restart Excel and then check. Now it's still not working. In that case you can open control panel. So type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on uninstall a program. Now find Microsoft Office in the list. Now once you find your Microsoft Office over here, make a right click and then click on change over here, click on yes to allow and then go for quick repair. So select the option quick repair and then click on repair. Now let the repair complete. Once the repair is complete, you can open the Excel file once again and follow the same step. Go to file and then go to options and then again go to customize ribbon, all commands, and find from Microsoft query and then click on OK. And if you don't find Microsoft query over here, then go to file and then again options and then go to data and then put a check on from Microsoft query, put a check and then click on OK, and you can go to data. So you can click on get data from other sources. You will see from Microsoft query over here, or you can go to legacy wizard and then find from Microsoft query. So this is how you can get the option back. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.